Are you struggling to lose weight no matter what you do, exercise, diet, detox, and more? Studies have found one common factor in overweight men and women, and that's low brown adipose tissue levels. This is also found in persons who are skinny with high adipose tissue levels. Adipose tissue is not fat at all, neither is it a fat store but a fat shrinker. Its color comes from its densley packed mitochondria, which works 24/7 from your fat stores and the food you eat, into pure nature energy. Exipure is the only product in the world with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants designed to target low brown adipose tissue, the root cause of your explained weight gain. Inside each Exipure capsule you'll find 8 clinically proven ingredients that increase calorie burning brown adipose tissue. 1 perilla, kudzu, holy basil, white Korean ginseng, amur cork bark propolis, quercetin, oleuropein. Exipure is a nature formula with plant ingredients and easy to swallow. Exipure is the weight loss supplement people are trying.